ACER Bed-Mill 1454, a large travel tool room mill. 13 great reasons to go ACER Bed-Mill 1454. 1. 5 horsepower Baldor Super E spindle motor. High efficient motor for high torque output. 2. This bed mill comes with ACER's most powerful E-mill 5EK head. With Toshiba's 5 horsepower S11 inverter, it can run both single and 3-phase power. Phase converter is not needed to run single phase. Machine also adapts wide power range from 185 to 250 volt on 220 volt and 390 to 510 volt on 460 volt. 3. Infinite 50 to 3750 RPM NST40 spindle with constant spindle speed. Change full speed range within 4 seconds. 4. No frequent breakdown and mechanical wear out due to fewer component design. We eliminated 54 parts from the old Bridgeport type head design. 5. Electronic and mechanical brake for fast spindle stop. 6. ACER E-mill provides electronic brake for boring and taping application. 7. USA made Allen Bradley switch and push button electronic component built for long life usage. 8. With large travel XYZ are 40 by 24 by 28 inches and semi-enclosure for easy loading and unloading large and tall parts. 9. All 3 axes are hardened and ground Rockwell C55 boxways, coated with Tersite B. Machine also comes with C3 precision ball screws to provide a XYZ speed of 400 inch per minute for smooth movement. 10. Massive Mehinite FC30 cast iron construction weighs 8,000 pounds with boxway to support table load up to 2,000 pounds. Our castings are internally reinforced with heavy ribs to resist flex and damp vibrations. 11. Machine is integrated with NLM 3000 control, which can run conversational program. 5000 control can run both G-code and optional conversational program. 12. The control comes with powerful features. 1. Free 27 milling canned cycle for easy program. 2. 2.5D cam are built in machine for complicated parts program. 3. Offline program with DXF file converter can transfer DXF file to toolpath and cut parts right away. 4. Tool and Parts Pro software are standard for quick setup. 5. RS-232 port and 1.44 megabyte floppy drive are standard. Optional Ethernet port built in for large file transfer. 6. MPG manual pulse generator is standard for easy table movement. 1/10, 1/1000, 100th accuracy increments. 13. Large capacity 4-liter auto lube are standard on this machine, which immediately provides lubrication to all surfaces once you turn on machine. Over 30 years, the ACER mission is to bring quality assured, price competitive, service committed, availability immediately for the full solution to your machine's needs. We maintain accuracies within tens of thousands of an inch. The accuracy is machined into each and every part. With California and New Jersey's two facilities for stocking finished machines and spare parts, we are able to ship a variety of machine models and service parts immediately upon order. Through a nationwide network of factory-trained, full-service distributors, ACER can provide the industry's most committed service and customer support for each and every machine we sell. Check our price and you will be surprised as how affordable it is. Join us. We hope your next large tool room mill will be ACER Bed-Mill.